Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Maricel Lumatang, 39 years old. I live in Dumaguete City, Philippines. I am married and blessed with one child. I am honest and hardworking. My experience here in our country is that I finished a 5 years contract as a housekeeper. My major job is to do domestic work, which includes laundry, cleaning, ironing. I am also responsible to look after and take good care of the kids of my employer. To be honest, Ma'am and Sir, I have no experience to cooking Chinese dishes, but I'm willing to learn how to cook. I only know to cook Filipino dishes. This is my first time to applying for a domestic helper abroad. I hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.